Chapter 7. Our occupations. We need a lot of things to lead a happy life. We need food to eat, clothes to wear, and a house to live in. We need money to buy these things. You must have seen your parents going out to work and earning money for the family. Any work that helps us to earn money is called an occupation. People choose their occupation according to their physical strength and their skill. To earn money, people are engaged in different types of occupation in our country. People work as farmers, miners, tailors, doctors, teachers, engineers, scientists, carpenters, shopkeepers, laborers, etc. Some people also work in offices. Agriculture. It is the most important occupation of the people of India. Agriculture includes growing of crops, fruits and vegetables, and rearing of animals. India is a land of villages. About 70% of India's population lives in villages. They mainly depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Farmers in different parts of the country grow different crops such as food grains, rice, wheat, maize, millets, pulses, vegetables, oilseeds, sugarcane, cotton, jute, tea, spices and fruits. Flat land, fertile soil and sufficient amount of water are essential for the growth of crops. The two other occupations closely related to agriculture are cattle rearing and poultry farming. Cattle rearing. It is the breeding, feeding and taking care of animals. People domesticate cows, buffaloes, bullocks, goats and sheep. Cows, buffaloes and goats provide us milk. Sheep provide us wool. They are reared in hilly and dry areas. Bullocks help in plowing fields and drawing carts. Farmers can easily feed these animals on their farms, so these animals are reared on the farms. This is also called dairy farming. Some cattle is also reared for their meat. Poultry farming. It is done to get the eggs and meat of hens, ducks and geese. For this purpose, farmers set up poultry farms. Forestry. Some parts of our country have thick forest. A lot of people are engaged in forest-related occupation. These forests are the storehouse of timber, herbs, gums and latex. People collect gum and medicinal herbs from the forest. They also collect resin, honey, lac and latex from the rubber trees. Some people collect pulp of softwood for making paper and matchboxes. Some people collect leaves of tendu tree for making beedies. People also make wooden boxes for packing fruits and vegetables from the wood in the forest. Wood is even needed to build houses. Fishing. Catching fish as one's occupation is called fishing. India is surrounded by sea on three sides. The main occupation of people living in the coastal areas is fishing. Fishes are also found in rivers, lakes and tanks. Fish is a rich source of protein. Fish oil from the fish is extracted from some kinds of fish to be used as medicine. Processing and packing of fish in tins direction in selling them at far off areas. Mining. Digging minerals out of the earth is called mining. India is very rich in minerals. Many people are engaged in extracting these minerals from the mines. There are many occupations that depend on mining. Refining of minerals to get metals. We get iron, copper, aluminium, and other metals from these minerals. Manufacturing large variety of products like machines, bicycles, cars, tractors, aeroplanes, railway engines, ships, sewing machines, and other tools from metals generates more opportunities for the people to earn their livelihood. Industries, a place where raw materials such as cotton, jute, sugarcane, wood are processed into much more valuable goods, is called an industry. A large number of people work in different industries. Cotton grown by farmers is used for making cotton cloth in mills. Cotton cloth is also woven on handlooms. We get jute, textiles, sacks, bags, and ropes from jute fiber. Sugarcane is grown in the fields. The juice of sugarcane is used to make sugar and jaggery. Tea leaves, which are picked from the tea garden, are processed into tea. Coffee beans, which are grown by the farmers, are baked and ground into coffee powder. Cooking oil is obtained from oil seeds, such as mustard, groundnut, and many other seeds. Milk is processed into various products, such as cheese, butter, etc. Furniture is manufactured from wood obtained from forest. Other occupations. Nowadays, people are engaged in a number of occupations. They work in schools, hospitals, banks, factories, courts, and other places. There are a large number of people who run their own businesses and shops. There are people who earn their livelihood by writing books, painting, singing, dancing, acting, etc. All these people contribute a lot to the growth of our nation. Let's understand livelihood, income or occupation. Cattle, livestock or domestic animals like cows, oxen, bullocks, etc. Manufacture, make something on a large scale using machinery. Recap. Any work that helps us to earn money is called an occupation. Agriculture is the most important occupation of the people in India. Fishing is the main occupation of the people living in the coastal areas. Many other occupations depend on agriculture, cattle rearing, poultry farming, forestry, fishing, and mining. A large number of people work in industries.